see him next week. Okay, so this is called an underarm protector or plaster on, and this helps.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna start. My windows are all open because it's really warm in here, so don't mind the outside sounds. Right now we are going to start another wedding project. This is what we're gonna try and make. So if you watched my vlog, you know that we chopped up a tree for our friend Michelle. She let me take home some branches. So out of these branches is what I want to make these out of. I also bought rods at home, Michael's, and a giant thing of this. And then I had this in my back storage of all my craft shit. So I'm going to start by cutting them all up and watch some Julian making pulled pork out of banana peels while I do that. So enjoy my time lapse. Okay, so I have my string cut. I'm not sure if it's enough. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna attach it to the branch and we'll go from there. Alright, so here's what I have for my hangy, and now I'm going to try and cut it into a V shape. Let's hope I do okay. It'll be fine decoration, maybe for the wedding, maybe not. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Bye!